Hello children, do you know which day is today? Do you know the days of the week? Which are the days of the week? Can you tell me? There are 7 days in a week. Are you ready to count? Okay. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How many fingers you got? 7 fingers, right? So, there are 7 days in a week. How many days? 7 days in a week. Shall we count once more? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Which is the first day? Sunday. Which is your favorite day? Teacher's favorite day is Sunday. Do you know why? Sunday is a holiday and all the family members will be at home. My husband, my daughter and my parents, we all enjoy ourselves at home on Sunday. We have our lunch at home together. Our relatives come to our house on Sunday. So, we enjoy the moment together. Which is your favorite day? You have to tell me when you come to school. Okay. So, today we are going to learn a new lesson in English. The name of the lesson is A Lovely Sunday Morning. A lovely Sunday morning. Lesson 2. A lovely Sunday morning. What is the name of the lesson? What is the name of the lesson? A lovely Sunday morning. On Sundays we go for movies, we go to park, we go to shop to buy things. We enjoy ourselves, right? On Sunday we enjoy with our family. Same way, you also enjoy with your family, right? You go for movies, you watch movies, you go to park, you go for shopping, you go with your parents, right? And your siblings. So, Sunday is a happy day, right? So, in this lesson, a boy named Pradeep is telling about his family. How he enjoys with his family on a Sunday. Now, you can see a calendar. In this calendar, you can see the numbers written in red color. Why? Because all these days are Sundays and we are holiday. We enjoy ourselves on holidays. So, in this lesson, Pradeep and his family also enjoys with his family. He enjoys with his family on a Sunday. They go for a picnic. And all the family members are in a garden. So, teacher is going to read the lesson and you have to follow with teacher. Okay? Now, this is your lesson. A lovely Sunday morning. What is the spelling of Sunday? S-U-N-D-A-Y. What is the spelling of Sunday? S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Now, Pradeep and his family is having fun in the garden. They are enjoying. Okay? Now, Pradeep's father and his brother, both of them are playing cricket. Do you know which game is cricket? Yes, you play cricket with bat and a ball. We use bat and a ball to play which game? Which game is? Yes, cricket. C-R-I-C C-K-E-T. So, Pradeep's father and his brother are playing cricket. Okay? So, I am Pradeep. Pradeep is telling about him. I am Pradeep. My family is in the garden. Where are they sitting? They are sitting in the garden. What is the spelling of garden? G-A-R-D-E-N. You have to underline the word garden in your textbook. What is the spelling of garden? G-A-R-D-E-N. Which game is Pradeep's father and brother playing? Cricket. Cricket is played with bat and a ball. Okay. So, while they were playing cricket, Rajesh loudly shouted, saying, "Out!" What is the meaning of out? Yes, his brother, Pradeep's brother, Rajesh, shouted and said, "Out!" Father is out. So, father also shouted and told, "Not out." Father was saying that he was not out while playing the cricket. So, father is the head of the family, right? And mother takes care of your family. Always mother controls us, right? So, in the same way, when father and Rajesh shouted, who controlled them? Mother controlled them by saying that, "Don't shout." When you shout in your classroom, who controls? Yes, teacher tells you that don't shout, right? Same way, mother also told father and Rajesh not to shout. So, when teacher is going to read this page number 5, you have to use your pointer finger and repeat after teacher. Shall we read? I am Pradeep. My family is in the garden. Father and my brother Rajesh are playing cricket. Out, says Rajesh. Not out, says father. Don't shout, says mother. So, these are the dialogues said by these people. Father, Rajesh and mother. What did father say? Father told he is not out. But Rajesh told that father is out. And what did mother say? Mother told that not to shout. Yes. Now you have to turn the page. My sister Nina is drawing. Do you love to draw pictures? Yes. You like to draw, right? You will draw the picture and color it, right? Yes. So, in the same way, Nina also loves drawing. Nina also loves drawing. She draws pictures. Mother is sitting under a tree. Mother is sitting under a tree, and let's see what she is doing. She is reading. What is mother doing? She is reading. So you have to underline the word drawing, mother, reading. You have to underline drawing, mother and reading. Grandfather sits in a big chair. Who is sitting in the big chair? Yes, grandfather is sitting there on the chair. And what is he doing? He is having a newspaper in his hand. Did you see your parents reading newspaper in the morning? Yes. So, in the same way, grandfather also is having a newspaper. But is he reading the newspaper? No. What is he doing? He is sleeping. He is having his newspaper with him, but he is not reading. What is he doing? He is sleeping. You should not make fun of your grandparents, okay, when they sleep while reading newspaper, because they are very old, they feel very tired. You should never make fun of them. Okay, so my sister Nina is drawing. Mother is sitting under a tree. What is mother doing? She is reading. Grandfather sits in a big chair. Is he reading a newspaper? Is grandfather reading the newspaper? No. What is he doing? He is sleeping. And Ginger, what is Ginger doing? She's chasing a butterfly. Do you chase the butterfly? Same way, Ginger is chasing the butterfly. And what am I doing? Who is asking this? Pradeep is asking, yes, what am I doing? Well, I am talking to you. Pradeep is telling that he is talking to you. So, there are many characters in this lesson. Who all are there? Pradeep, Pradeep's father, Pradeep's brother Rajesh, Pradeep's sister Neena, Pradeep's mother, Pradeep's grandfather, and one more. Yes, Ginger, the pet cat. Did you all enjoy what Pradeep talked to you? Yes, now you have to read the lesson. You have to read the lesson. You learned many words, right? Which all words did you learn? Garden, father. Which all words did you learn? Yes, garden, father, brother. Who is Pradeep's brother? Yes, Rajesh. Who is Pradeep's brother? Rajesh. Who is Pradeep's sister? Yes, Neena. Pradeep's sister is Neena. Then who is Pradeep's grandfather? Yes, grandfather. You have to write. You learn the word grandfather. One more word you learned. Mother. Yes, Pradeep's mother. So all these words, when you read, you have to repeat the spelling also. Garden, father, brother, sister, grandfather, mother. One more word is there. What is that? Pet. Which is the pet animal in the story? Yes, pet cat. And what is the pet cat's name? Ginger. So, today you have to use your pointer finger. Show me your pointer finger. Which is your pointer finger? Yes, pointer finger or index finger. And you have to point your finger on the line and read. So, are you ready to repeat after teacher? Will you repeat with me? Yes. Lesson 2. A lovely Sunday morning. I am Pradeep. My family is in the garden. Father and my brother Rajesh are playing cricket. Out, says Rajesh. Not out, says father. Don't shout, says mother. My sister Neena is drawing. Mother is sitting under a tree. She is reading. She is reading. Grandfather sits in a big chair. Is he reading the newspaper? No, he is not. He is sleeping. Ginger is chasing a butterfly. What am I doing? Well, I am talking to you. So, today you have to read the lesson